So, what are we going to be doing today?
Okay, we're going to do a lobster Captain Boil style. And this is thyme and oregano.
Nice.
And this is salt and onion powder. This is paprika.
Ooh.
And this is salt. This is brown sugar. This is black pepper. And then Cajun powder. And soy sauce.
Well, that's a lot.
And
That's a lot.
garlic.
Wow.
This is a lot of garlic we need.
Okay.
And the butter, 250 grams.
Oh my god.
That is the ingredients for the Captain Boil style lobster. We need shrimp, lobster, mussel, and we need the corn and
That's actually a lot right now. We have a lot.
This is so much ingredients.
Yep,
and we need lettuce.
Oh yeah, those.
wow.
Oats. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay. Okay. Okay, we have to start now. Okay. You have to wait until it's melted. This is the butter.
Kind of looks like yolk.
Yeah, and this is the garlic.
Oh well.
Mhm.
That's what I got. Stir it up.
We need a lot of garlic here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I use it 8 pounds of garlic
Why do we need this much garlic?
because garlic it's give a nice smell,
Nice flavor.
nice flavor. Yeah.
Okay.
So you wait until it's kind of brown.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna put the
The
paprika.
paprika. Okay. Paprika.
Okay. Put everything.
Everything.
Mix it together.
Put everything in.
Yeah, mix it together. It's more easy. And the soy sauce.
Oh.
Yeah. See that? It's more easy to do. Easy to follow. Put all the ingredients together.
All the ingredients you previously saw. Okay. This is starting to look good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like that. And then put the 3 cups of water.
3 cups. 3 cups of water. Okay.
And then let it to boil until it's gonna be thickened. See, you can see this smell good now.
Yeah.
Let it boil, and then you're gonna put your lobster, everything. You're gonna put this. So set aside those.
See, it's boiling now. We're gonna do now.
Okay, I'm gonna put now the
Lobster.
lobster.
Oh,
Mm. put in all the lobster.
Yeah, the
Dump it.
lobster. And
Then,
I put this one so that it's the
what is that one?
lotus
Yes, yes.
roots.
Wait, is it really a food?
I boil a little bit before I pour it here.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
and I put corn.
corn. Why is it chopped like this?
Yeah, the 1 pieces of corn I cut into 3 pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you can have multiple.
Mm-hmm.
Multiple corn means
Yeah.
more
Just like that.
good to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Then start mixing.
You start mixing so that the flavor will gonna go to the corn.
Yeah. This looks very good. And when you cook this, when you start cooking this yourself, the final product is gonna taste so good. So
It's
why not-
delicious.
yes, so give this a try.
This is probably the Captain Boyle recipe.
Yes, Captain Boyle style seafood.
Yeah. This
Which is nice.
Bit spicy because of the black pepper we use it.
Mm-hmm. So
And
black pepper,
the 2 tablespoons of Cajun
Two.
that we use it.
2 tablespoons of Cajun,
Mm-hmm.
Cajun.
Let it boil first.
Let it boil.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Where's the cover? Okay. We're gonna come back later. Cover first.
Okay.
Okay, after 30 minutes of boiling,
Mhm.
no, 25 minutes. Sorry.
Okay, we're
We're
gonna put now the
We're gonna
shrimp.
put in the shrimps. Shrimp, sorry. Yeah, that's a lot of shrimp. It's a lot of shrimp right there.
Oh, what? Yeah.
This looks pretty good.
Look
This
great.
looks pretty. So,
Nuts.
okay. We're gonna start mixing again.
You should have known that.
Start
Rolls
mixing
out.
it. We don't want to make like, any messes during this. So, we gotta be very precise here. Because if something falls down,
And this
add
one.
in your oyster.
No, this is
Mussel?
mussel.
Muscle.
I knew it.
Add in your mussels, man. You gotta add in your mussels.
Yeah.
What's the difference in
But
the
this one,
mussels?
you should wash this one.
Yeah, wash
properly.
first. Wash properly before you
Once you get stuck
in.
in your food,
yeah, it's not
you don't
good.
want that happening.
Yes, you don't want that happening.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Start mixing.
see, that fell.
Start mixing again.
Yeah, start mixing.
You want to do this very
Yes.
carefully.
We have to do the. We have to get the flavor.
Yeah, you want every piece to have equivalent amount of flavor from all the ingredients that we have put in. So right now, just want to keep mixing like occasionally. You know, just like make sure every make sure every piece gets
yeah.
gets their own.
After
Flavor.
mix enough, little bit, so you can see the lobster is already cooked now.
Yeah, looks
And
really good.
We have to cover.
So cover.
Yeah, we're gonna wait.
We're gonna wait. So cover for.
We're gonna wait the shrimp and the mussels cook
Let it
for
how many?
10
How
minutes.
much? 10 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
See, this is cooked now. It's ready.
wow. So after.
Look at this.
Wow. So this looks
Wow,
This looks
so
very good.
yummy.
just in time.
Mhm.
A family, one of our family members came home after work just in time for Captain Boyle homemade style. So yeah, if you guys.
Happy birthday!
Okay. Let's do it. So if you guys want more cooking videos, and if you guys really want to see us cook a lot of variety of
You can
different.
see the sauce.
Peter, come here, taste it.
Taste it.
Come up here.
Oh,
Taste it. Taste it.
I mean,
It's really hot.
It's really hot
I
though.
mean, no. It's
Okay.
gonna burn my tongue.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
but-
shall see.
It's very good.
Okay, we're gonna off now. After 15 minutes, we cook the shrimp and the
So 15 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay,
Yeah.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna pour it in now.
We're gonna pour it in now. Oh, wait, wait.
Oh.
Not too there because it's gonna be noisy.
Whoa. So there you go.
There.
This is how to cook seafood, Captain Boyle style, homemade. And let us know if you tried this, if it turned out amazing, or yeah, you guys can try this at home as well. Just get the right ingredients. Actually, in the description, you can actually check what ingredients we use, how much milligrams or how many tablespoon or teaspoon. And yeah, if you guys like the video, you can like the video, subscribe, share it to your friends, your family members, your relatives, anybody like that.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll see you guys later for more cooking videos.